And continuing baking for one, let's go ahead and do a banana bread. I'm going to start with a well-ripened banana. Go ahead and get that all mushed up well. Once that's mashed, add 1.5 teaspoons of white sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar. Keep all the air out, it won't harden. 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1 egg, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Get that all mixed up. To this, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Get that all mixed up. You can, of course, use an electric mixer on this. I just find no point when the amount in the bowl is so small. Get that as smooth as you can without lumps, though there will be some. Grab your prepped ramekin. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm all about spatulas to clean the bowls, because every drop of ingredient is money. I'll pop that in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. This too can go in your Instant Pot, covered well with foil so that no steam can get up in there, on high for 35 minutes, with about 1 inch of water on top of the grate. One beautiful banana bread, beautifully moist. Of course, you can add chocolate chips, nuts, whatever you want to this. Banana bread for one. If you want more baking videos for one, check out this playlist.